Hello guys, welcome back to Lola's Kitchen, and today we'll be making the national drink of Puerto Rico, Pina Colada. Let's get started. By the way, this is non-alcoholic. This is the virgin Pina Colada. I am sure you can hear it from my voice how excited I am to be sharing this recipe because it's so delicious and so easy to make. I will write down everything you need down at the comment section. And the first thing we need is some pineapple, some sugar, coconut milk, pineapple juice, coconut powder, and some ice. And now I'm going to blend everything together. I have about half cup of frozen pineapple, and for the coconut milk I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. And notice that I'm only adding the white part, so we only need the milk part. And for sugar, it's according to your taste. And for the coconut powder, which is optional, if you don't want to, you don't have to put it. I'm putting about 1 tablespoon, and then I'll also add 4 ice cubes. For the pineapple juice, just add a little bit because we don't want it to be too watery. I blended everything in 2 to 3 minutes, and now our pina colada is ready. It's perfect for this hot summer and with everything going on this year. Again, this is so yummy. Just try it and let me know because you're gonna love this. Thank you so much guys for watching. If this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe to Lola's Kitchen for more amazing recipes. Thank you.